Hello and welcome to Module 3, Lecture 2, Formatting Text. In the last lecture, we focused on entering and editing text. Now, we will take it further by learning how to control the appearance of that text, change fonts, size, colors, and apply effects. By the end of this session, you'll be able to apply font formatting, use the text, colors, and effects, highlight important text, and use Format Painter to copy styles quickly. Alright, now it's time for a demonstration. In this demonstration, we're going to show how to use the font formatting commands, how to use the colors, effects, and highlighting commands, and how to use the Format Painter command. Let's start with font formatting basics. If you need to change the text, the format of your text, your paragraph, all the content on your document, you need to come to the Home tab, and here you have the font group. In the font group, you have the option to change the font of your text. You can also change the font size of your text. Imagine, for example, we can come right here and say, I want to change the font of this title. I'll come right here and choose what font I want to apply. I'll say I want to apply the area around it empty, and I also want to change the size of this text to 24. You also have the option to bold. In this case, we applied a font that is already bolded, but we could apply another font. Let me see, like Aptos, and then come right here and apply bold. And we can apply bold through this command, or we can also press Control B, and we also can apply italic. We can apply from here in the font group. We select the italic command, or we can press Control Y. I'll make Control Y again. And you have also the option to underline. You still have the option to strike through. Let's say that I want to strike through this text right here. I will select this text and apply strike through. I also have the option to subscript. The subscript allow us to type a very small letter just below the line of the text. If we need to insert, let's say right here, a letter below, I can write right and fade to A. And superscript that allow to type a very small letter just above the line of the text. In this case, we're going to remove A, we remove the subscript and apply superscript and say to it's you can use one mathematical documents where you need to apply exponents or other operations. You also have the option to change the colors, effects, and highlights. Here you have the option to highlight. Imagine that you want to make your text pop by highlighting in a brighter color. If you have a very important text on your document and you need to highlight, you can select it and choose the color that you want to insert, to highlight in this case, and you can apply it. I'll choose the yellow one. It's very good for me. And we also can change the font color. Imagine that you want to change this text right here, the font color of this text. I will select it and I will say the whole paragraph will have let's choose a color right here and I will say we will have this orange. Now I want to show you the Format Painter command. It's one of the most powerful tools in Word. If you want to replicate a formatting like this one, when this text to another text, you need to come right here, select the text, and select the Format Painter. In Home tab, Clipboard group, you have the Format Painter. You can also press Alt plus Control plus C when your keyboard to copy the format, and Alt plus Control plus V to pass the format. In this case, I'm going to press the Format Painter command, and I will pass this format. I will select where I want to replicate this format. As you can see, we copy the format from here to another text, and we apply to another text. What I want to tell you is that when you click once, when the Format Painter command, you will just be able to pass the format when one text. If you want to apply the format to multiple text, you need to select where you want to copy the format and double click in Format Painter. Now you can apply to multiple text. Let's say I want to apply here. I want to apply also right here. This way I can apply multiple times till I cancel the Format Painter. In this case, to cancel the Format Painter, you can just press the escape on your keyboard. I will press escape and I can now the cursor is working as a normal. In this lecture, we saw the importance of font size, bold, and italic to change the text appearance on the document. We also saw how colors, effects, and highlighting can emphasize the important information on the document. We also saw the Format Painter command importance to copy and apply format consistently on the document. In the next lecture, we will expand from text to paragraphs, learn how to align, space, and structure your content. Stay with us. Thank you for watching.